I'll now show you how to pair a mobile phone to the Bluetooth system in the Range Rover Sport. First of all, make sure Bluetooth is on. There we go. See if it picks anything up from any screen. From the home menu, just click phone, and you'll see there's no phones in here already, so it says search new, and it's also showing up hands-free here, but search new, vehicle to device, device to vehicle. Vehicle to device is usually easier because it generates a code. I'm actually on a car park and it's picking up other people's, but here we go. Barry's iPhone 10. That's it. To pair and connect phone, enter 7856 on handset. 7856, pair. Allow contacts and favourites. I won't, because I won't be using this, but you will. So I'm going to click don't allow there, but you would allow. It's connecting to my phone here. Phone connected.